Good morning, everyone. I am going to take you up to my studio, which is almost ready. Here we are. So that's the little chill space I made. Not enough light in here at the moment, but so you can see I put all my stuff here, all the books that I have. Little thing over here. We have a TV. We have all my shells and stuff over here. Here we have all my beads. Lots of them. Lots and lots of beads. Too many beads, so I'll have to be doing some beading pretty soon. So more beads and stuff. Now here I have a place to work, so I have 2 tables set up. Got a lot of stuff still all hanging around, which I have to look for, you know, a nice place to put it. But all my little wheelie bin things. So here I'll be doing I think paperwork or something like that. So there's the paper cutters, all the stuff around here. That's my incense, I think you call it. I'm burning a little incense as we speak. Now I have these really large shelves where I put all my stuff. I have a nice bin. Here I've got all my paper. That's all paper stuff. Got papers here, lots of papers there. Got my canvases way up there. So here I have everything that has to do with paper and stuff. Then on this side we have everything to do with painting and resin. So we'll go out here. Here got all my painting, acrylics, I got my foil, I got all the spray cans. Up here we got all the resin stuff and mediums, all the resins. Got a little wheelie thing where I put stuff in. Here I have my video table, which you guys know because I've been doing all my videoing on this table. Got all my brushes set up. Then here is my, let me get back, my easel. Got a lot of those little trolleys in the back there. Then I have a nice window where I can look outside. Then over here I have another 2 tables. This is where I'll be doing drawing and all kinds of stuff that, you know, embellishing paintings and that sort of stuff. That's my clay bins with all the clay stuff in it and power text and all that stuff, which I will be doing on this side of the room. There's another table, a lot of those. I got a lot of those wheelie things because as you know, at my former house I had the studio downstairs and I had a little studio upstairs where I started. So I'll give you a view. Let's see if you can see it like that. So looks pretty cool. And up to now I think this is the studio I like best because it has all these corners and bits in it. And the little chill space that I have and the TV. So this is where I'll be working. So it's about 95% finished. I'm not going to make it any neater than it is because, you know, that's just, you know, it's going to get all messed up again anyway. Only thing that I have to do is, if you can see the wallpaper, you can, behind everything, there's a wallpaper. Well, that's a sort of a, they put that in, and behind there, there's a lot of room to put boxes. So I still have these 3 boxes there, and behind this I have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, and I have to make room to put that behind those behind the what you see is what is wallpapered. I have my big canvases over there. Well, that's about it, guys. I like this the best though, this little bit here where you can see outside. You can see how high up I am. I'm in the attic. See, they're building a house opposite from us. It's kind of sunny, but it has been really bad. You can see the snow on the roofs. We had a little problem with our heat pump, which really, it froze over, and then the ventilator started hitting the ice and it made a terrible noise, so we had to turn it off. All that kind of stuff. But that's fixed too. So here I did a little wallpapering on the sides there. Still have to paint that bit, what you can see, the white going over to the, you know, the downstairs. The stairs still not ready because you have to wait a year and a half because of the wood that has to, I don't know what they, but they said, you know, you have to wait a year and a half and then you can paint the stairs or do whatever you want with the stairs. So we're waiting for that. Then outside you can see my husband's Jeep. I'll show you a little bit outside. Let's see. There you go. See, they're building houses in the background still. And next to us, first they were going to build these adjoining houses, you know, like 4 or 5 in a row. They're all joined together. But now they're going to build the same house that I live in next to us, and then they're going to build adjoining houses. So I'm pretty happy with that. And over there you can see the water that is behind the house. Oh, I got to show you something, because they have been cutting the trees, and I know that it has to be done, but it is so ugly. Okay, let's see. Look at the trees, what they did. Let me open the window a bit. Look. They cut everything out of it. That's how they were. And that's what they're doing. Ooh, there you can see my garden. That's the garden of the neighbors. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to be starting to work up here pretty soon. I think tomorrow or something. Making some video. And so you'll see me on a regular basis, I guess, in the future. Because I do want to do, I have so many ideas that I want to make. I have so much stuff that I'm thinking about making. I do want to do a lot of painting on the big canvases, but I also want to do a lot of work with the artificial intelligence app that you guys have seen in a previous video. I want to do some of that. The idea is, and it's not much fun talking to you like this. I should be turning it around, but well, I don't have a stand right now. Ooh, that's something I didn't find. You know, I still have boxes behind here that contain some of my painting stuff, I'm pretty sure. And the stand that I usually put my iPad in. So I'll have to find that. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna, I'll talk to you about the things I'm planning on doing in the next video. Then I can look at you, at least. Okie dokie. Love you all to pieces. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.